Hello, students. A very strange life these days we are living. We can't go outside. I know you all are missing your friends, your teachers, your school, your lessons, studies, and everything. But don't worry. Our school, our management has decided to provide you everything at your home. We all teachers are coming to your home with syllabus of new session, with study materials. Today I am going to teach you the first chapter of class 8. The chapter is the best Christmas present in the world. I repeat, the chapter is the best Christmas present in the world. Students, when you listen the title, the name of the chapter, you will think that this chapter is related to some festivals, some beautiful presents, some gifts. But this is not reality. This chapter is totally different. This chapter is related to war. War like First World War. In this chapter, we will learn that nobody in this world likes war. Even soldiers don't like war, don't like to fight. Soldiers think that both of the countries or most of the countries should sit together and decide to solve the problem of war peacefully. And before starting the chapter, I would like to say a few lines about the author of this chapter. The author of this chapter is Sir Michael Morpurgo. He was one of the greatest novelist, storyteller, poet, and also he is the best playwright. He has written many of novels, but his most of the compositions are near the war. His best novel for children is War Horse. This novel is also related to war situation. His father was an army officer and his father fought First World War. And unfortunately, Michael Morpurgo felt these things, the pain, the depression, the difficulties of war in his own family. So, his compositions are related to war. He was born on 5th October 1943 in England. He was the best magical storyteller. Now let's come on the chapter. The chapter starts from author's home. The author, the narrator of the story, wanted to buy a roll top table with lot of drawers and of good wood like oak. As we know that oak wood is precious, costly, so author was not able to buy. So he decided to buy this table from a junk shop. Do you know what is junk shop? Dear students, junk shop is a type of shop where we can buy second-hand things, the things which are already used and damaged, and we can repair those things and we can use these things again. Author brought the table to his home from the junk shop. He wanted to repair that table by his own, and he started to repair. while he was repairing, for his surprise, there was a secret drawer in the table. And when he opened the drawer, there was a tin box in the drawer. And he opened the tin box, there was an envelope in the tin box. And there was written something on that envelope above the address. Jim's last letter received. Jim's last letter received January 25th, 1950, to be buried with me when time comes. Jim Mapperson, from Jim Mapperson to Connie Mapperson. And under these lines, the address was written of the place Bridport, Dorset, that was in England. And author was an educated person. He knew that there is a bad manner to read or open others' letter, so he was hesitating to read the letter, but he was eager, he was curious to know that this letter was about 60 or 70 years old, and why it was lying here, who is the master of the letter, and what is inside the letter. He wanted to know everything. So he opened the letter and he read some wonderful things, some amazing things that all have happened in the battlefield. And this letter was written by a husband to his wife to describe the events of the battlefield. And author, after reading the letter, author felt the same pain what he used to feel for his mother. And he decided to hand over that letter to the owner of that letter. And this is the first part of this story. This story is divided into 3 parts. I will discuss what was written in that letter is second part. So I will discuss these things in second part, that what happened in the battlefield, what was written in that letter. Before finishing my video, I want to say few lines in Hindi to you all for your clearance. यह एक कहानी है जो एक पत्र के माध्यम से एक हस्बैंड अपने वाइफ को युद्ध के मैदान की घटनाओं का वर्णन करते हुए लिखता है. उस युद्ध के मैदान में कुछ वंडरफुल, कुछ अमेजिंग ऐसी घटनाएं घटती हैं जिसकी हम कल्पना नहीं कर सकते हैं, और उन बातों को लिखता है. और शायद जिम मैपर्सन, जो कि कोनी मैपर्सन का हस्बैंड है, जो कि ब्रिटिश ट्रूप का कैप्टन है, शायद वह युद्ध के मैदान से वापस नहीं लौटता है. हम लोग अगले पार्ट में पढ़ेंगे इस चीज को. और वो अपने वाइफ को पत्र भेजता है और ऑथर को पत्र मिलता है टेबल के ड्रॉअर में, और ऑथर उस पत्र को उसके मालिक तक पहुंचाना चाहता है. हम लोग अगले वीडियो में जानेंगे कि क्या ऑथर कोनी मैपर्सन तक पहुंचा, क्या कोनी मैपर्सन अभी तक जिंदा है. 60-70 साल बीत चुके हैं. अबाउट 70 years have passed. तो क्या वो वहां तक पहुंचा, क्या उसने उनको पत्र सौंपा. तो इन बातों की चर्चा हम अगले वीडियो में करेंगे. और मैं आप लोग को यही कहना चाहूंगी कि आप लोग अपने घर में रहें, सेफ रहें, ओबे योर पेरेंट्स, हेल्प योर पेरेंट्स इन डोमेस्टिक वर्क्स, follow the rules of suggested by government. And stay safe, live safe. That's all. Thank you.